And as you heard, I had the amazing opportunity to fly 4 times on the space shuttle that you see above you here. During those missions, I completed 700 orbits of the Earth, and I traveled nearly 17 million miles. I helped deploy a big communication satellite on one of my missions, and I worked on hundreds of different science experiments, all of them looking into the effects of zero gravity. But the greatest part of the mission for me was always looking out the window, looking back at planet Earth from 200 miles above. And I've seen so many incredible sights as I cruised above the Earth at 18,000 miles an hour. From seeing the very top of Mount Everest on many occasions, to seeing the Great Barrier Reef off Australia, looking down on huge hurricanes and massive thunderstorms, and even seeing shooting stars entering our atmosphere, but watching them from above. And I've seen countless sunrises and sunsets, each one of them a unique experience. So I've had an amazing career, and I was lucky to have had this opportunity. But how did it all happen? How did I get here? Well, like many of our students here today, I first got interested in space at a really young age. I worked hard in school and always tried to do my best in all my subjects. And after college, I started applying to NASA to become an astronaut. And it took me 4 tries over a period of about 8 years before I was ultimately successful getting into the astronaut program. It wasn't easy, and it took a long time for me to get there. But I learned some really valuable lessons along the way. The first of which is always do your best. And I think our students all exemplified that here this week. They've been doing an outstanding job in all their activities. Secondly, be prepared to work hard and don't shy away from something because it appears to be difficult. Third is to never listen to people who tell you you can't do something. When I was in high school, Neil Armstrong was landing on the moon, and I would tell my friends, I want to be an astronaut, I want to go to the moon. And they would just laugh at me and say, oh, you can't do that. You're not smart enough, tall enough, fast enough, whatever enough. Never listen to those people who tell you you can't do something. And most importantly of all, never give up on the dream that you have inside. And what comes out of this advice, well, there's a lot of amazing opportunities that lie ahead in the future that you can all be a part of. Maybe a mission to the moon or visiting an asteroid. Some of you may undertake a mission to Mars, maybe orbiting the planet, landing on one of its 2 moons. And some of you may have the opportunity here to land on the surface of Mars itself. Wherever you go in your career in the future, there's going to be these amazing opportunities that are just waiting for you that you can be a part of. One of my favorite things here at the Space and Rocket Center are some of the signs above the doors that read, "Through these doors enter America's future astronauts, scientists, and engineers." And that is exactly what you all represent. You are the future, and we need you for these future missions that we're planning and preparing for today. So my advice to you is to continue working hard in school every single day. Always do your best in everything you do. And remember to never, never, never give up on that dream inside. We hope you had a great experience here this week, and I congratulate all of you on the hard work and dedication that you put into your time here. So I want to thank you all very much, and I wish you all the best of luck in the future. Thank you all.